Wednesday, July 2nd, and I've been gone for 6 days. And there's been a bunch of Ducks Unlimited work here Dad's been doing with airboats. The customer came into town and told Dad keep on going with the 1952 wide gauge. So Dad's got it all taped off here for priming. Has been working on that. Nothing's been going on here with this Muskeg tractor other than well, actually I just tucked in the record rad for the one Muskeg tractor, and you guys can hear the sounds of the engine in the back. Dad has got more priming that he did on these. Airboat is under a test run here. Sounds pretty rough still. We're going to be working on that for tomorrow. So the one rad came out of this, and that's where the new rad's going to go back in. It's pretty rough. Dad probably would have done a little bit here. I think he's waiting on Aiden to come back though, because everything's still taped down. I think I mentioned that we got a source, a local guy for window glass for both these machines, and about 25 degrees here. Dad is kind of played out, so he's got to get most of his work done in the morning. Otherwise he's got to get the boys out here to help him out with the hopping in and out and fixing. Sounds a little better now, but still coughing up a little bit. And so yeah, got this one, the other one in the shop, airboats that are coming in and out. Got the blue wide gauge 1952 that we got to go ahead to keep on going on, and of course the other Muskeg tractor. Dad thinks this is a 73. We don't have the tag for it, but he says there was a certain style here where it's 1 year off from the 74 that's parked outside. So I picked up some parts out in Winnipeg when I was down there, and hopefully we can start piecing everything back together here, because I'd really like to see this one gone, and Dad to really start going back on this one, and of course fix the other one that's out there. But he's just having a wet at the end of the day. Little dog, yeah, she's running with the big dogs. Just having a wet with the boys. Turned 83 on Friday. Thank you to everybody that wished Dad a happy birthday, and I just posted his photo there on Friday with him standing in the Bombardier, and that was taken about 15 years ago I think, but still in good shape today. So yeah, keep commenting, thanking or wishing Dad a happy birthday. I know he really gets appreciative about that. Other than that, there's just tools and parts, and Dad's busy, and a lot of guys are happy to be this busy at that age. Still got to sand down these doors, this back container. I think he might be done with sanding on that one. He's got to reupholster those seats. He's got to sand these parts down. There's lots of sanding. We got to get Aiden back here. This is the one rad. Dad figured it was pretty good, so he cleaned it out and give it a paint. So that's going to go into the tractor over there. This is the engine, obviously, for that tractor. So got to get this stuff cleared out and installed. But it's just a little hard right now because it is getting hotter throughout the day for Dad, and he wants to make sure that well, I want to make sure he's not dropping dead on the job. But everybody else is good. Dogs are good, cat's good. Dad's got lots of company and he's keeping busy. So 83 years old and going full bore. So that's our shop update for today, and we'll catch you on the next video.